Assalamu alaikum and hello dear audience. This is Huran Mohammad Ijaz Qureshi. I hope that the day is treating you well. मेरा नाम हुरैन मोहम्मद एजाज कुरैशी है एंड मैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ इंग्लिश इन में. सो टुडे एक्चुअली वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ लुक एट द सिस्टम ऑफ इंग्लिश. आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं बेसिकली द सिस्टम दैट प्रोवाइड टू स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, the system that we provide to our students, the system where your child learn, grow, show, and succeed. So actually, the system is really very well balanced, organized, and disciplined by the, you can say that, useful and the best techniques of our supervisors. Actually, as well as the instructors of English, and they are actual, you can say that, passionate and determined, help out the students to reach out their goals and to enhance their abilities and the skill set. So let's know the opinions of our students. So we are having some students today. Girls, could you please come here? Yes, ma'am. May we have some discussion about the system? Yes, ma'am. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Sabiha.
Fabiha, how are you, Fabiha?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, I just want to have a little discussion and you can say that your opinion. I want to know that about system of English. How is the system of English?
Firstly, I would like to share my opinion that my journey has been so amazing because there are so many people who have issue with co-education system, but in my opinion, English is totally changed because it provides us a safe and peaceful environment for girls.
Incredible. Okay, what's your name, Miss?
Anamta.
Anamta, how are you,
Yes.
Anamta?
I'm good.
What's your opinion about the system?
Yes, I agree with her that my journey is also so amazing and we feel comfortable here. Nobody can interrupt us, and I will suggest you all that you should join this center. It's so great.
What about you, Miss? How are you? Okay. May I know something about system of English in your words?
Yes, as well as English offers us good learning environment. The teachers are extremely hardworking and talented who provide us different ideas, activities, and to enhance ourselves.
Thank you so much, girls. You spoke really well. You are a lucky girl. Thank you so much. Okay, so viewers, as we have come to know the opinions of our students, that how do they feel the system of English and that how is it. But before saying anything, I just want to have a little consideration on our students, that they did not just answer us; they answer us confidently. So this is how we train our students. This credit really goes to the instructors of English. And I just mean to say that we do not teach English language here, but as well as we train our students for this advanced world, we prepare students for stepping with this advanced world. And let's come to the topic. So system. The system is actually, as we have come to know the words of our students, that they said we feel comfortable here. Okay, so as we provide the co-education system, so this is our, you can say that, responsibility to make our students feel comfortable. So whether it's a boy or a girl, they do feel comfortable here. So everything is, you can say that, properly managed with the proper discipline. Everything is properly organized. The classrooms are really organized where students enjoy their learning. If I say this, it won't be wrong that everything is managed with the useful and the best techniques of our supervisors. Viewers, what are you waiting for? You can just get in touch with the best system and with the experienced teachers. So for newcomers, we are going to start the new batches by the month of May, upcoming month 2025. New students जो admission लेना चाहते हैं, they are the most welcome. You can visit the Afandi Town campus as well as the Liaquat Colony campus by the month of May, upcoming month 2025. You are the most welcome. So students, if you want to unlock the barriers to accomplish your life visions, you are the most welcome to reach us out. Thank you so much.